Hi guys, I hope you're doing well. Thank you so much for clicking on this video and welcome to Just Sophia. So today on how to make money online, we are going to talk about online surveys and how you can earn from different sites. So now guys, I have said severally on this channel that online surveys will not make you rich, but it will give you an opportunity to earn that extra coin that we are all looking for right now, especially right now that economically we are down there. So now guys, okay, most of us, not all of us, of course there are people who are making huge sums of money, good for them, but now for the rest of us who are struggling to put a coin in our pockets, online surveys can come in handy. So now guys, thank you so much for clicking on this video. My name is Judith. I do how to make money online videos, personal finance, personal development, motherhood, and just anything that will improve your life. So that if that is the kind of content you're looking for, just remember to subscribe, guys. Many of you are watching me, but now very few of you are subscribing to the channel. Please help me grow this channel and also help my videos to reach so many people that need it by subscribing first and foremost, and then clicking the notification bell, and then also sharing me. Okay, I really appreciate. So let's get into the video after you have subscribed. Okay. So the first online survey site that you can try out, guys, is pagazini.com. I hope I'm pronouncing it right. Pagazini.com is an online community and a premier survey rewards panel offering paid surveys to members in more than 90 countries. So now surveys mostly, it will always depend on your location too, because now let's say for example a restaurant wants opinion on, like, wants to know what their customers think about their services. Of course they will not employ someone in Kenya for a restaurant in the US, right? Yeah, so they offer services in more than 90 countries. That is a good number. And then let's see now we just want some information about this service. Let me see how it works. So we have hundreds of new surveys available each day from our inventory and from our providers. So to get started, you'll create an account. So there's a procedure. You can either click here or not a member, sign up here. So you'll enter your details and then create an account. So once in the members dashboard, you can now choose surveys from the main menu and fill out your profile. So you simply sign up and then you start answering the surveys. As simple as that. There is no question that there is no exam to be done. You simply read each survey carefully and then answer truthfully. Okay, so that is how it works. Anything else that you need to know about Pagazini? FAQ. By the way, if you want to know more about a service, any service that I review on this channel, guys, always go to the FAQ section. That is where most of your questions will be answered. So when and how will I get paid? Of course, this is something that you will want to know. We currently offer a number of payment methods, including PayPal, Payoneer, and gift card options. This is good. At least they also offer Payoneer, because I have had some of my viewers who do not have PayPal in their country. So you can choose Payoneer. We are continually expanding this selection. Most rewards are processed in 48 hours. That's good. In some cases, redemption may take up to 5 days. Okay, and then what are account tasks? Are our way of rewarding you for achieving certain milestones in your account. You'll be paid the reward for each task completed in your task account. So now surveys are paid you will be paid per survey. So it's not like they pay a certain standard amount for all the work. So each survey will come with its own earnings. For example, you can be paid 0.50 for a particular survey, and then the other one, maybe depending on the complexity or the length, you can be paid $10. Can I access my account from different locations? Yeah, this is also a viable question. Yes, we do not mind if you access your account from home, work, library, friends, house, internet. Accessing from a different IP address does not put your account in any danger. This is a good thing, because now even those of us in Africa, we want to sign up for these services and earn money. How much money can I make? So we do not place caps or limits on how much you can earn. You can take as many surveys as possible. All members can also participate in our affiliate program, account tasks, and daily bonus categories. So now how much you earn will depend on how many surveys you complete. I want to assume that. So there's no a specific amount of money that you are supposed to earn from this service. You can earn as much or as little as you work. So now these are the FAQs. You can come here and read all of them so that you can understand the service more before you sign up. The second survey site you can try out is superpay.me. So you can make money through paid surveys. So you can get paid on superpay.me through online surveys. Everyone has an opinion. Smart people get paid for it. Yeah. The good thing about superpay.me is that they pay as little as $1. So that is your cash out can be as little as $1. That's very good, because now there's those sites that will hold your money until you reach maybe $100, $50, and all that. But now with this one, you can cash out as little as $1, which is to me it's a good thing. So different methods of payment. They have Amazon, they have PayPal, they have Wise, they have Skrill. Wow, this is another good thing about this service, because now you can choose from any of these, the one that works well for you. So you can make money by first completing a quick surveys, offers, trials, games, videos, and more. So those are the different ways that you can earn money. Get paid the same day thanks to our 8-hour payment promise. Cash out via PayPal for as little as $1. Top benefits of joining this site: if it is free to join, you receive a sign-up bonus as soon as you set up your account. Wow, that's good. So now, guys, what I always tell you, you shouldn't pay to join any site that promises you to make money, because now why? You want to make money, you don't want to give out money. And then anything else to know? So these are the FAQs. What are paid online surveys? So market research companies use surveys to gauge public opinion on particular products or topics. So online surveys, now you will be paid to get public opinion on particular products. Different companies will hire online surveyors to know what the public think about their products or services. So that is what is simply called online surveys. Brands will hire market research companies to conduct surveys on their behalf. You can register with some of these market research companies and take their surveys. So they pay you for that. Many brands from around the world are continuously seeking opinions of people to shape their products. How much will I get paid? It's easy to earn cash for surveys. How much to get paid completely depends on the number of surveys you complete. All online survey for money have different payouts, with some offering as much as $15. So now it will always depend with I think how complex the survey is. Most will pay less but also take less time. So those that pay less take less time. Those that pay more, of course, it will take you a little longer to complete them. Expect to earn about $1 to $5 per survey, with occasional opportunities to match higher earning potentials. So now these are the FAQs. Please go through them to understand the service before you sign up. The last site that you should try out, guys, is called timebox.com. This one has different services, not just surveys. They have a referral program. They have they also give you daily bonuses. Let me just see. Get paid to post on Facebook, view funny slideshows, play games, install apps, complete micro tasks, answer surveys. So now this one has many other services that you can choose to do if you don't want to answer surveys. This is what they offer. So make sure you try it out. Daily bonuses. Each day we run a competition where the top 100 earners win a nice bonus. Wow. So again, you start earning instantly. After the approval process, you simply start earning. So you don't need to do an exam or something like that. And then, like I said, they have a referral program. They pay weekly, every weekly, with 6 different payment methods. I like sites that have different payment methods, not just one, because now, you know, some of our countries do not offer some payment methods. So if you have a variety to choose from, then that's a good thing. So these are the frequently asked questions. How do I check my earnings? How much money can I make? I always love reading this one. Your average earnings greatly depends on a number of factors, such as your country, device you're using, and how long you have been using the site for. For example, for first-timers, from someone in the United States, you'll earn $50 every day. After that, 10 to 20, depending on how much time you spend on the site. So now, this is how much you can possibly earn. I'm not saying that this is exactly what you'll earn, but the site says you can possibly earn this much. And then how often do I get paid? We pay every Thursday. That's good. What payment methods? Yeah, depending on which country you are from, we offer Pioneer, Bitcoin, Skrill, bank transfer. The minimum payout is $10. This is also not too much. At least this one is workable. This means you must earn at least $10 for you to be able to be paid on Tuesday. Do you guys pay with PayPal? Not directly, but you can receive payments into your PayPal if you choose to be paid with AirTM. Then withdraw with PayPal. So these ones do not pay with PayPal. So again, do you have a referral program? Yes, we do. We pay 15% commission on user earnings. So if you have a website or a YouTube channel, by the way, you can come and sign up for the affiliate program and earn commissions by referring other people to their site. So now all these are FAQs, guys. You can come here. If there is anything that you don't understand, I am sure you'll find a question and answer for it. So guys, those are the 3 online survey sites that you can try. Let me know in the comment section if you have already tried them. If you tried them, also let me know how it goes, okay? I hope that I have helped you today. I hope that this video has been helpful. If it has, please give me a thumbs up, okay? Remember to subscribe if you haven't subscribed, and let's see you in the next video. Bye!